Impact of rocket launches on the ozone layer. A NOAA study insight. What is the ozone layer? First, let's understand the ozone layer. It's a thin shield in the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet UV radiation. Without it, we'd be dealing with severe skin burns, higher cancer rates, and major ecological damage. Rocket launches might look awesome, and they are, but they aren't entirely clean. Rocket engines burn propellants that emit gases like chlorine, alumina, Al₂O₃, and water vapor directly into the upper atmosphere, right where the ozone layer resides. Solid fuel rockets especially release chlorine-based compounds that actively destroy ozone molecules. Even liquid-fueled rockets contribute with black carbon and nitric oxide emissions. What did the NOAA study find? NOAA researchers used atmospheric models to simulate the rise of spaceflight emissions. Their key finding: if spaceflight keeps growing at its current pace, especially with reusable rockets and space tourism, the ozone layer could take a serious hit. Key points from the study. Black carbon, soot, from rockets can warm the stratosphere, changing wind patterns. These changes can delay ozone recovery by decades, especially over the Arctic. Frequent launches inject pollutants 10 to 50 times more effectively than ground-level sources. One model showed a possible 10% depletion of ozone in the Arctic if rocket launches become a daily event. That's huge. Why is this happening now? Because we're in a space race renaissance. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are launching satellites, cargo, and even tourists almost weekly. Space tourism alone could result in thousands of launches per year if it becomes mainstream. Add in mega satellite constellations like Starlink, and we're talking about a boom in emissions at high altitudes. It's not all doom and gloom. Here's what scientists and engineers are working on to reduce the impact. Developing cleaner fuels, e.g. methane over RP1 or solid fuels. Creating ozone-friendly rocket designs, improving launch regulations and emission tracking, possibly international agreements to cap high atmosphere emissions. We've healed the ozone layer once before with the Montreal Protocol. We can protect it again. Space exploration is vital, don't get me wrong, but we need to do it responsibly. The ozone layer protects every living being on Earth, and safeguarding it should be part of our mission to explore beyond it. So what do you think? Should we regulate rocket launches more strictly? Or should we let innovation run wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this topic eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more science breakdowns, and share this video. It really helps.